I was thinking about doing a how-to on how to take the tire off the rim, but I was going to do it funny way. If you've never used one of these before, they're awesome. Seriously. This thing locks tighter than you would imagine. If you haven't used it, it's worth it. I might cut the tire spoon a little bit when I do this. So it doesn't rip out my hand. Got a little bang to it.
Yeah. I need another tool. I don't see it. Yeah, so that's what tool I need.
So here I am, 25 minutes later, 2 stripped wheels. I'm actually really happy about it because I don't have a bead breaker, which is, I hate changing tires. I don't know anybody who likes to change tires. So the place where I normally would go is RPM, and it's 25 minutes from my house. And they would charge me like, realistically, like $30, $40 probably. Maybe not 40. They'd probably charge me like 30 bucks to take those off. So 25 minutes of my time, a little bit of hard work, got me a little dirty, no big deal. And the wheels are sweet. I can't wait to have these done. You can see Yamaha rims, mags, whatever you want to call them. I'm thinking about painting them white. I don't know.